Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a gel X set on my beautiful client. I've already prepped her, so I'm going in with my Cusio Builder Gel is what I like to use for my base. I also prepped my tips off camera, sorry guys. So after I've got the gel on the tip, I am putting the tip down from cuticle down to the end of her nail bed. As soon as the gel stops at her nail bed, I stop the pressure. I don't want it to drag down too much. That's even a little too much, what you guys see there, of overflow. And I just kind of hold it under the lamp for about 60 seconds before I send her into the big lamp. There you could really see how I went from the cuticle down to the end of her nail bed, and I stopped right at her free edge. And I'm just kind of flash curing that before I send her again into the big lamp for 60 seconds. Once I've got all 10 nails on, I'm going to go in with my 80s file and just get that bulk off the free edge and pre-shape her. With Gel X, them pretty much being shaped, it's quick. I honestly don't do much shaping at all after this. So here's really where I get most of her shape perfect. Once she's shaped, I will be going in with my T4M 5-in-1 bit to seal her cuticle. And here's where I'll go back in to refine that shape a bit more and perfect everything off. And once that's done, I'm going to buff all 10 nails, top and bottom. Once everything's smooth, I'm going right in with this baby blue. Tell me this color is not gorgeous. After that, I went in with the second coat, and on her pinky and ring finger, I did a light shimmer glitter right on top of that blue on just those two fingers. Once that's done, I go in with my Koopa Gloss Gel Top Coat on all 10 nails. Lastly, I will refine the shape just a bit on the edges with my 80s file, very gently. I just want to get off any excess top coat that ruined my shape. Then I oil her up, and look at her, cute.